Jonah chapter 4. Jonah begs with God. But Jonah never like what go on at all. And him kept begs till him blood start boil. And him pray to the Lord and say, "But God, no this me that say from me there yard. And that said thing that make me did run fi go Tarshish the first time. You want God was sorry for we. And kind to we all when we no deserve it. You no quick fi begs. You full of love can't done. And you will change your mind and no make nothing bad happen to nobody. So Lord, do me I beg you. Just take my life and done. Cause it better me dead." Then the Lord say,
"You have no right to get begs."
Then Jonah left out of Nineveh and go sit down at one place east of the town and make one little shelter for himself there. Him sit down under the shelter in the shade to see what go happen to the town. And the Lord line up one plant for spring up and grow till it cover over Jonah for shade him head and ease him torment. Jonah happy for the plant so till him glad bag bust. The next day, before the sun come out, the Lord send one worm for near down the plant and make it dry up and dead. When the sun come out, the Lord send one hot piece of breeze from the sea. And the sun beat down upon him head so till him feel like him a go drop down. And him wish him the dead. So him say, "Me prefer dead more than live." But God said to Jonah say,
"You have no right to begs about the plant."
And him say, "Yes, me have a right for begs. Me beg so till me want dead." Then the Lord say,
"You feel sorry for the plant where you never grown for, and you never make grow neither. We come up overnight and dead overnight. You not think me should have feel sorry for the Nineveh people them? That big town there with more than 120,000 people, we don't know right from wrong, plus old people and animal.